right, so you guys, I'm going to take the baking soda. I just put it in a cup. Put a little bit. Okay. Then I take my pink Himalayan sea salt. This is the one that I'm using. All right. And then I mix it up. This is a quick video, y'all. I mixed it up, right? This one toothbrush. Then the next thing I do is I take that toothbrush and I just put it in the cup. Easy. And then I just go to work. And after I brush my teeth with the baking soda and the pink Himalayan sea salt, then I take the coconut oil. Sometimes it gets liquidy when it's hot, but it's solid right now. So I just take a little bit. Okay, you see? Put it in my mouth and I swish it around in my mouth for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then I will spit it like in a cup or napkin and then put it in the garbage can. So